Welcome back. Mormugao Taluka Action Committee called for Mormugao Bandh on Tuesday. The Bandh was called to demand justice for the victim girl in Vasco's school rape case. However, the Bandh got total political colour. While Jose Philip de Souza asked the shopkeepers to close their shops, Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida forced them to keep the shops open.
Most of the shops were seen open on Tuesday in Vasco. The Mormugao Taluka Action Committee had called for a Bandh. Some shops and establishments were seen closed and some were seen open for regular business. Buses were also plying as per their schedule. Police force was deployed at Vasco Market to avoid any untoward incident. The Bandh took political turn when Carlos Almeida visited the market. Jose Felipe alleged that Carlos had asked the shopkeepers to open the shops. He also said that the establishments were closed voluntarily.
पण आयज लोकांनी दाखोवन दिला की सगळीं बंद शॉपां सगळें बंद आहा पण हांवें चोयलां आतां फ्रूट वेंडर्सांक जबरदस्ती हे लोकल एमएलएन आनी हे तांचे थोडे पुलिसांचो सपोर्ट घेवन जबरदस्तीन ओपन करूं लायला इल्लेशे फ्रूट वेंडर्स आहात उले जे फ्रूट कोण विकताय तांकांच.
Jose Felipe, along with his brother Pascal de Souza, who is also a councillor, and others were arrested by the police for unlawful assembly and forcefully closing the shops.
आनी आमकां फोनार फोन लोकां भुरगीं आतां एग्जाम चालू आहा लोकां कामां वचपा जाय सी आनी आतां हे सगळे भाजीकार आहाय फुटवाले तेंचे दीस सांजो जालो म्हणल्यार तांकां मागीर पयशे जाय एन सी आतां फिल्पा लायक जाय प्रोटेस्ट करपा न्हू फिलीप कॅन हॅव ही कॅन गो लायक अंडर फास्ट अंडर डेथ इफ ही वॉन्ट्स टू ही कॅन डू अदर फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोटेस्ट वाय इज क्लोजिंग अगेन एंड अगेन बंद आतां न्हू तें कितें जालें तें रॉंग जालां आतां म्हजी भुरगीं म्हाका चेडो आमकां भुरगीं तुमकां भुरगीं this is tragic what has happened and give the police some chance to do some investigation, give them some little more days.
Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai raised a calling attention in the assembly pertaining to Vasco school rape case. CM Parikar has assured to reply on Thursday in this matter. Reporter Surendra Matkaikar for Prudent.
Scrap the South Goa Zilla Panchayat if the state cannot give the powers. This warning comes from the South Goa Zilla Panchayat chairperson Nelly Rodrigues. The meeting of Zilla Panchayat also took a resolution to provide CCTV cameras in some of the schools in Panchayat area. However, the meeting also witnessed heated arguments over the Ladli Lakshmi scheme.
Zilla Panchayat should either be given what we ask, at least something of it. Otherwise, the next alternative is either they should scrap it. This is what I am of the firm opinion. You either scrap it or give. Because 2 years of our tenure is like, it's better late than never. Otherwise, if they are not giving us, I would recommend, and next meeting we are going to pass resolution to scrap the Zilla Panchayat. I want to move a resolution because I have interest to give the CCTVs to Zilla Panchayat for all the schools in my village Panchayat. So if others want, we can take a general this and purchase the CCTVs from our rural infrastructure funds.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
From the next tourist season, Tourism Department will design the beach shacks. Government has said it. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni informed this to the High Court on Tuesday.
High Court was hearing a PIL related to environmental threats due to shacks and deck beds on the beach. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni informed court that from the next tourist season, Tourism Department will design the shacks including shape and the color scheme of the structure. As of now, Tourism Department allots the space to the successful applicant and the shack owners construct shack without any specific design. On the issue of deck beds encroaching beach area, the High Court observed that tourists come to Goa in a holiday mood. If facilities like deck beds are removed, it will definitely affect the business. Considering the above situation, High Court has said it will consider both the aspects so that any verdict does not affect the business nor whole beach gets disappeared due to deck beds. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Second day of assembly rocked over increase of expenditure in travelling of ministers abroad at the World Trade Mart in London. Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai highlighted his points, saying government is spending more money and attracting less tourists. However, CM Parrikar blamed it on economic recession.
Now, when exactly will this door-to-door garbage collection begin? Because the minister is on record for having said that it will start in a week on the 12th of July. So will it be week from now on or will it be next year 12th July?
आम्ही फक्त फंड्स जे आहा पळय ते म्युनिसिपालिटीक दितात आणि नगरपालिका फुडलें काम करता. आता नगरपालिकेन म्हाका उत्तर दिलें की आमी ताबडतोब स्टार्ट करता म्हणून ते प्रमाणे हांगासर उत्तर दिलें.
Financial issues are heavily involved if you do door-to-door garbage collection. तांकां मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटीक पैसे दिल्या door-to-door garbage collection करपाक, तांकां लेबर घेवपाक पैसे दिल्ले आहा. दिल्ले आसा जाल्यार आमी फॉलो अप करतात मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन. पण ते जर जावंक ना जाल्यार देन इट इज जस्ट अ पाइप ड्रीम.
बिकॉज सर door-to-door collectionाक लोकल सेल्फ गव्हर्मेंट म्हणजे नगरपालिका चार्जीस लायता वर्साच्या हिशोबान. आतां म्हापशा नगरपालिका वर्साक 200 रुपया घराक घेता door-to-door collectionाक. ते भशेन ते चार्जीस नगरपालिकान लावपाक जाय आनी तेजे बरोबर आनी कितें तर गव्हर्मेंटान दिवपाक जाय. गार्बेज व्हेकल दिवपाक जाय, वर्करांक कितें सॅलरी दिवपाक जाय ती दिवं येता कितें शॉर्टफॉल आहा जाल्यार, नाल्यार सरकाराचो कसलोच संबंद येना हितून.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.